Are you ready for the ultimate design improvement when it comes to Aviator sunglasses? I'm Gina with WTI, and I really didn't think that was possible, but somehow DreamCalf has done it. First off, these have the classic Aviator look, but with a modern twist, and these are tangle-free nose pads. I love this because I often put my sunglasses up on my hair, and if I've actually done my hair, well, those nose pads are going to get all tangled up. But not with this pair. I love this shape. It's oversized. It gives me plenty of coverage so that I don't have to squint when I'm out in the sun, which I want to be in constantly. These are polarized, which is definitely my choice when it comes to sunglasses. It just gives me better vision. I got the black frame with gray lenses. I get a ton of compliments on these sunglasses. DreamCalf has so many cute styles to choose from. You're sure to find the one that is perfect for you and maybe get one for a friend too. I definitely recommend them, and that's my point of view.